Alright, so today I ran into a problem where I had to figure out why this panel wasn't showing the location correctly. Like there was just nothing in the schedule. And what I realized was that the person that moved the panel between floors, like it went from lower to an upper floor, what they essentially did was they grabbed the panel and just dragged it up in section view. And that is not the right way to do that. So let me show you the correct way to do it so that you can at least get the location to show up on the panel schedule and any other schedule that you want to pull location from. So if we look here on the floor plan, I have MP1 and MP2. MP2 is supposed to be upstairs, and what the other person did was they went into section view, they basically just grabbed this MP2 and dragged it up to the next floor. So while this may look correct, the problem is if you click on the panel, look over here at the schedule level, and you'll see that it's still referencing lower level. So the panel is, here's your reference to lower level, and it's looking for a space within that level to name the location. So if we go over here to schedule, you'll see that it's blanked out. There's nothing in the location spot. And also on the panel schedule, you'll see that it's also empty because it's looking at, what is it, 10 feet above, or no, it's looking at 9.8 feet above the lower level. So it's looking too high above the level and it doesn't find a space. So what you want to do, let's reset this. Okay, so here I reset it back to how it was. So this is how you're supposed to move a panel. You click on the panel first and then go over to schedule level, click on upper level, and you'll see that if you hit apply, it doesn't actually move. That's because it's trying to maintain that spot in the model. But now that we've assigned it to the upper level, we can hit the elevation from level, change that back to 0, and you'll see the panel immediately jump up to the upper level. Now it has the correct schedule level, it has the right elevation, and if we go into the panel schedule, you'll see that the location now updates correctly because it's looking at the right schedule level to find the space that it's in. With that done correctly, you can pull up, like I have an equipment summary schedule. So here it tells me the location, all the loads and everything, and the location does populate correctly. So this is how you're supposed to move a panel. Don't just click and drag it up. Make sure the schedule level is set correctly. Otherwise you'll run into issues where you can't pull location and some of the dimensions may be way off. So let's say you're like going from first floor to fourth floor. You don't want your dimension to say like, 40 feet above ground, which is not true. It's you want it to be 0 above the reference plane at fourth floor. So hopefully this solves some of your issues if you have trouble pulling locations for your panels or if you just need to move stuff in between floors. You can apply this to, I believe, any equipment, change the schedule level first and then change the elevation on that floor. So good luck. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll try to address them then, okay? Bye.